Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close down your Coinbase account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your Coinbase account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, especially with crypto, sometimes you're going to switch over to other providers. That's pretty normal. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now, one thing I want to let you know before you go any further is that if you want to permanently close down your Coinbase account, you have to clean it out first. So basically, you can't have any crypto or any cash inside your Coinbase account. If you have crypto, you need to transfer it out to an external wallet, or you can sell it inside of Coinbase. Once the funds hit your cash account, then you can go ahead and withdraw the cash into your bank account. If you need help cashing out your Coinbase account, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So assuming that you have a zero balance in your Coinbase crypto wallets and also in your cash account, in order to permanently close down your account, what you're going to do is click on your initial here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you want to click on the blue manage account button. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu on the left. Make sure you've clicked on profile. Once you've clicked on profile, you'll see these four options here at the top, and you want to click on close. Once you do that, you're going to see the close account section. And again, they do remind you your account balance must be zero before you cancel your account. If you've already done that, go ahead and click on the red close button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.